In this video, I'll guide you through the process of enabling comments on YouTube using your smartphone. If you're new here, remember to subscribe below. If you give this video a like, this video will reach more people who could benefit from it. Turning on comments on YouTube encourages engagement, builds up community interaction, and provides valuable feedback from viewers, enhancing the overall viewer experience and potentially increasing watch time and channel visibility. So let's dive right in and check out the whole process. First, open up the YouTube app on your device. While you can manage settings in YouTube Studio, we'll focus on the app for now. Start by tapping on Library at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your videos. If you're new to YouTube, your library might be a little empty, but it'll grow with time and more uploads. Tap on your videos and select the specific video for which you want to enable comments. Upon selecting your video, you'll notice that comments are currently disabled. To change this, tap on the three dots located in the top right corner, then choose Edit. Scroll down until you find the Comments section. Tap on Disable Comments and opt for either Allow All Comments or the recommended Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for review. It's up to you, and once you select an option, don't forget to tap on Save to apply the changes. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled comments for your video. Now, you'll be able to engage with your viewers through comments, starting with your own. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to turn on comments on YouTube using your phone. If you found this guide helpful, drop a comment below to let me know. Also, don't forget to visit my website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. There, you'll find plenty of helpful tutorials and resources covering a wide range of topics.